What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video in which I actually wanted to talk about some news. I don't usually do videos like these, but I actually stay updated and I keep myself updated on all of the news regarding all of the cryptos I analyze. And one big thing that is going on right now is Jasmy being put into the innovation zone, but also what's going on with Gala. They have a token upgrade from V1 to V2 the 15th of March, so in 5 days. But what's going on is that there is some trouble with Coinbase. Coinbase right now accounts for about 6% of the volume around and about for Gala. Apart from that, it also has symbolic value. Coinbase is one of the two exchanges which actually matters in terms of price movements. If a token is listed on Coinbase, that actually creates a rally usually. And that the only other exchange where that happens is Binance. And there is some talks, and I actually think it will be true, that Gala will be delisted from Coinbase. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Now, before we get into that, if you're into trading, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find links to join my trading signal group, which has been very profitable so far. And there you can actually find, and there you can actually also learn to become a better trader. So check that out. But now onto Gala. So the thing is that for me, there's still people talking about it, and there's quite a lot of people thinking that it will actually still be listed on Coinbase. And I'm not saying that's impossible, but I don't think it will happen. As you know, Gala will go from V1 to V2. Most exchanges are supporting that. So Binance also supported that. We got a little bit of bullish momentum because of that, followed by more bullish momentum because of the inflation rate or some sort of a combination. And most exchanges support it. Now, what Coinbase said, and it already said that the 3rd of May, is that they will, Gala Games will issue a new contract address. And they said they will suspend trading for Gala V2 ahead of the snapshot. And what they said is that they will not be supporting any airdrop of Gala V2, which created a little bit of a miscommunication that they said, well, it's not an airdrop, it's an upgrade. But technically that's the same. Technically what Gala will do is they will take a snapshot of who has Gala V1, who has the original token, and they will airdrop the new tokens to them. That's how it works. A new token is created and that will be airdropped to them, even though it's not a traditional airdrop. So it's not that they will not support the airdrop, but they will support the upgrade. They just, here you can see, they will not be facilitating any upgrades. And I think this has to do with that Coinbase has been very careful with new listings. Like for example, they've also not listed Sui yet. Huge crypto. They could have made a lot of revenue on that. Haven't listed it, and I think due to regulation. But this is enough for me. They also said that if you actually want Gala V2, you have to get it off of their exchange. And then finally, they said, and I think that's a hint as well, any support for a new asset on our exchange will be communicated via Coinbase Assets, via this Twitter account, which I would definitely recommend you to follow. So that means that they see Gala V2, I think at least, as a new token. Now, does that necessarily mean that it will never be listed again? No, they just will not upgrade it right now. So that's, first of all, I mean, I think this news, if we then talk about the price, I think it is already priced in. Since that announcement, we dropped down from 3.7 all the way to 2.8. That's a decrease of like 25%. I mean, we can actually check that out real quick. I think that's pretty interesting. So here was the 3rd of May. Since then, we actually dropped down to the bottom about 25%, like I said. So I think it's already calculated in. And I actually think that, like I said, it's only 6% of the volume. So it doesn't matter that much. And right now, there's also, like, I think it's already confirmed that it will be delisted, first of all. But that creates the opportunity that I mean, Gala is a great project, right? So that creates the opportunity that it will be relisted at some point of the future and rally because of that. So I actually do not think it's the worst news. I actually do not. And it also has a little bit of a, now that we know that it will not be listed. First there was a little bit of FUD, right? But now I think it's confirmed. And we can actually get some sort of relief rally. And now also with the lower than expected inflation rate, if we dive into the technicals, our main resistance right now is this level right here around 3.2, 3.3. I think we're going to test that. if from there we can actually stay on top of $3, I think we can break above that as well and actually become fairly bullish, especially with the token upgrade coming up. So that's what I think. That's if I think whether it will be delisted off of Coinbase or not, and the effects of it. So if you still have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.